Okay, in Oak Hill, West Virginia, on US19 southbound, just past Oyler Avenue, come across this damaged guardrail. This was a SKT head that was impacted. Looks like it performed according to design, but the problem is now they've did a temporary repair and they've left just this blunt end guardrail. So as it sits right now, this guardrail has no crash-worthy properties to it. So if someone else comes along and hits this guardrail, they are very likely going to be speared because there is nothing to absorb the impact of the crash. Leaving this damaged guardrail here on the side of the road is also dangerous, serves no purpose lying here in a damaged state. This will probably make any accident that happens at this site more dangerous. So again, this blunt end guardrail is likely to kill someone. It's not crash worthy. This blunt end has been illegal in the United States since the 1960s, and this guardrail will definitely spear the next vehicle that comes along. So this temporary repair needs to be permanently repaired with another SKT or some other crash-worthy head.